With this new improvement, businesses now have a direct online store URL that they can share with their customers with ease. Under Setup and within the Business tab, go under Business URLs. From this page, we will see a new option here called Online Store, and it is a customizable link based on the custom URL set up on this page that will direct customers to the online store for the specific business. Whereas right now, we do not have the option to direct a customer to a business's online store. So from here, we can simply copy the link. I have gone ahead and copy and pasted that specific Moonlight Yoga Studio online store link into another web browser. And as you can see now on my page, it has directed me into Moonlight Yoga Studio's online store where the customers can now go ahead and purchase whatever they need from the business. One of the benefits of having this improvement is that businesses can now copy and paste this link within an email template or any marketing campaigns that they're sending out, and they can easily direct their clients into the store to purchase their goods and services without having to send them individual links to specific purchase options or products.